Hey, so if you're having login issues in Clipdrop, yeah, like you can't sign in, it keeps loading, or you get an error message, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. Without a stable connection, login requests won't go through. Next, yeah, double check your email and password. Small typing mistakes can block access. Now, click Forgot Password and reset it. This fixes most login problems instantly. Yeah, make sure you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Unsupported browsers can break login authentication. Now, cached login data can cause errors. Clearing cache helps refresh your session. Yeah, VPNs or proxies can block login verification. Try turning them off. Now, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. This removes extension and cache conflicts. Yeah, sometimes the issue is not on your side. Clipdrop servers may be down or overloaded. If nothing works, try another device. This helps confirm if the issue is browser related. So, yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop login issues. Most of the time, it's password errors, cache problems, or server issues. Try these steps and you should be able to log in again. Thanks for watching.